Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi Q5 car key battery. First, you'll need just a couple of simple tools. Grab a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It's also a good idea to find a clean, well-lit area to work, ensuring you don't lose any small parts. This entire process is quite straightforward and should only take you a few minutes from start to finish. Let's get started. Now, let's open up the key fob. Look for the small release button, usually located on the side of your key. Press this button and slide out the physical key blade. This reveals a small slot or seam where you can insert your flathead screwdriver. Carefully and gently pry open the key fob casing. You should hear a slight click as the two halves separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Now, carefully use your screwdriver to gently lift out the old CR2032 battery from its slot. Once it's out, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, making sure the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly until they click securely into place. Then, slide the physical key blade back into its housing until you hear it click, indicating it's fully seated. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Lastly, test your key fob's functionality to ensure all buttons are working correctly. You're all set with a fresh battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.